Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we have a great car, which is the Porsche 911 GT3. Now this is number 2 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Exotics and number 177 out of 250. And yeah, this is also another great one, now released in red, which looks stunning. And of course, as you can see at the back already, we have several other Porsche 911 GT3s, including the blue one, which was the first version, the matte black one, which is also a great one after the blue one, and also this one, which you might not be familiar about in this channel. Now, if you don't know, this is actually the one from Speed Machines, which is actually a car culture set, which I didn't manage to review. There are some other cars that I display at the background, if you can tell. Like there's the Veneno, the Ford GT, Zonda R, and also the McLaren. Those are also from Speed Machines, but I didn't actually have time to review the Speed Machines. But yeah, this could be an early preview. I may be able to review it soon, hopefully in the future. But yeah, that's from Speed Machines. But in today's video we will focus on the red 911 GT3. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. The moment that this car hits the shelves, it took me a while for me to get this car, because well, many people love this car. Like it's pretty tough to get because, well, it is a Porsche, but that's not the case for this. People loved it because of the color, the rims, like it's just amazing. Like if you judge it by every angle, it's just pretty good. I mean, comparing to the like plain blue, matte black, and also like the I wouldn't say the Speed Machines one is not really that good, but still this one is just amazing. Like looking at it, it's just wild. Like the metallic red in this car is just so passionate that I would say it has a good color combo. Like red, black, and also a touch of gold is pretty insane. But yeah, let's take a look at the car itself without further ado. Here it is, the Porsche 911 GT3. Now the side looks so clean. No liveries or anything, even though there are some bits and touches on the hood and everything. You have golden, chrome gold, like the star-shaped rims, I guess that's how you say it, which are pretty cool in chrome gold. I do like it. The side looks overall very nice side profile. Moving on to the front, we do have the plastic headlights, which are connected to the windshield basically, as you can tell. We have the front grille, the front splitter as well. And yeah, you have a bit of a difference for the hood this time. Now normally on the blue version, which is the first edition, normally you would have a regular hood, but this one you actually have a difference because they colored like partially most of the part of the hood in black, basically metallic as well, which is pretty interesting. You do have some red stripes here and there. I mean, like you have a stripe going from the hood to the roof and everything. You have some tiny golden stripes as well on the hood, which looks great. You have the Porsche logo right there as well. I don't know if you can see it. You actually do have like tiny hood scoops right there as well. It's like a hood vent for like ventilation, of course. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there it is. And yeah, it continues to the roof. The roof is also colored in black as well for some parts, which honestly looks pretty great. Hold on. So yeah, the roof, yeah, looks pretty great. You have a regular window tint as well. You have a blacked out interior, which looks great. The side looks stunning as well, for similar like the other side. And then of course you have this massive metal spoiler. The rear lights look great, GT3 right there, and you have a license plate which says, what's that? SHW 2023. Is it? Yeah, it does. So yeah, pretty interesting. I don't know what's the S for in the front, but yeah, pretty interesting. Is that a... No, that isn't. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe those are like blinkers or anything. I'm not sure. But yeah, you have the rear diffuser as well, and 2 exhaust pipes in the middle. But yeah, overall pretty great. Pretty great car, pretty decent. Now moving on to the base, you have a gray base, plastic. Porsche 911 GT3, 2021 Mattel, and made in Malaysia. So, may the comparing begins. We will start it off with the first edition, which is in blue. There you go. This is in blue. Now, I'm not really a fan of my blue version because I know other people's one would be great. But for mine, well, it has a bit of a twist for the rear. I don't really like the printing error at the rear because yeah, it's lowered down. The rear lights, I don't really like it because I don't know, maybe there's an issue with the printing at Mattel. You know, there are some major issues like this, which is just fine, I guess. Yeah, the blue looks great with the red version. So the roof is originally black for the blue version, but on the red version it's not typically fully black because you do have some red stripe in the middle, which is great. Other than that, both of them pretty similar, just that the rims are colored differently, which is just fine. It's normal for a 911. Next up we have the matte black Porsche 911 GT3, which is insane. I like the matte black, it looks stunning, just that you wouldn't be able to see anything out of it. Hold on, there's a bit of dust. Just wondering why there's dust, not sure why. But yeah, back to that. Yeah, matte black looks great, just that you can't see much out of the matte black because you can't really see the headlights much, you cannot see the interior much because the whole car is black basically. Yeah, you have gray rims as well. Luckily that's also not black. If not, I don't know, it would be an invisible black car. So yeah, that's the matte black Porsche 911 GT3. And then we start moving on next with the Speed Machines 911, which yeah, you can tell Speed Machines is quite different. You have like the plastic rims, basically. The rims are basically I believe you call it Como rims, I'm not sure. I guess that's how you call it. But yeah, the one from Speed Machines looks great. Just that the blue and black combo is a bit different. Basically, the livery is all different. That's for the 60th anniversary, I believe. And also, I don't really like the printing error for this 911 from Speed Machines as well, because as you can tell, just now's case, like the blue one, it was too lowered. The Speed Machines one, they printed too high, I guess. Yeah, there is a sorry, printing issue as well, sadly, which I guess is fine. But yeah, there you go, that's the comparing done. But yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Porsche 911 GT3 in red. There's actually a white one coming soon in the Kroger exclusive, I believe, which I might not be able to get that, but still, if I would with a great price, then I'll buy it and check it out, also review it for you guys. But yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Porsche 911 GT3 in this stunning red. Overall sick looking car. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe now. See you guys in the next one. See you soon, bye bye.